Hello! Kasama ko ngayon si Keke. Hi! High school friend.
Isang nanay mo.
Ewan ko sa'yo. And sa mga di nakakilala kay Keke, siya yung high school friend ko. Mostly nakita nila sa vlogs, sa mga lumakang vlogs. Yun. Siya yung pinaka...
Bagong vlog. Kailan lang tayo nagkita eh.
Oo, kasi lang yung talk shit. Sadala siya 4 na ulam, naubos namin nung 3. With rice yun, ha? Fairness.
Grabe, ang taba ko dyan sa camera mo. Ipalitan mo ay ang camera mo.
Tanggapin mo na yung katotohanan.
Ang init siya. I want the Judas step. Nakakaasar! Ako ba yan? Nagputas ako niya na. Inulit mo pa. Ako ba? Nakakaasar. Tapos nasa YouTube mo pa yan. Nasa-challenge.
Oh, ayun. So, ito yung mga lumakong videos. Kung gusto niyo panoorin, naka-public pa rin siya. As in, mostly lahat naka-public pa din. Pati mga gilinis sa kanang yung mga classic na videos ko nandun pa din. But ililink ko dito. Yung mga yung video na to. Let's take it for love.
Pag ganda ba?
It was a perfect illusion. Where you, cause I can see, but I feel you watching me, but I feel you watching me. Let's take it for love. It was a love, it was a love, it was a perfect illusion. It was a perfect illusion. It was a perfect illusion. Somewhere in all the confusion. Illusion, illusion, perfect illusion. Next. Yun kasi, inanalis ko yung singles ni Gaga. Perfect Illusion, Shock, tapos Million Reasons, Denial. Tapos pagdating dito sa John Wayne, Anger. Parang stages of grief din. Sa psychology. You're giving me a million reasons to let you go. If I had a highway, I would run for the hills. If you could find a dry way, I'd forever be still. But you're giving me a million. Baby, I just need one good one to stay. Dali-dalihan mo naman! And every heartbreak makes it hard to keep the... But baby, I just need one good, one good, one good, one good, one good, one good. When I bow down to pray.
Thanks for your treat.
Nanonood ka na. Gaga. Oy, bayaran mo yan. Nanonood kami ngayon mga vlogs.
Yeah, I love you all.
Ina-introduce ko siya sa community natin. Ang in-order namin, wait lang, pakita ko. Kasi malulubat itong camera, so I have to do it. So, cream of mushroom, tapos dalawang cream of mushroom, tapos dalawang bolognese na pasta, spaghetti, gano'n. Tapos isang Italian delight, tapos yung isa, Italian sausage ata yan. Tapos ito,
mahilig ka talaga sa sausage.
Parang ano pinagbago. Italian kineso, tapos isa barbecue, kineme. Yun. Kakain lang kami, tapos charge ko muna tong camera. Eh di ayun na. Umalis na si Kasaya. Kanina pa sa katulog na nga ako. Tapos tumawag ang pamilya ko sa Subic, sabi nila. Sabi ng tita ko, naparod kayo sa mong vlog ha. Oh my God! Ako naman, shucks, anong vlog yun? Wala na ako may haharap sa inyo. Yung telling, my parents that I'm a YouTuber. So, okay lang din, kahit paano kasi sila mama lang din nandun. And by the way, I live with my tita, lola, living with an extended family, so if you're wondering, ganon. It's so liberating. Kasi my space in YouTube is like, yung totoong ako. Yung gusto ko maging ako, parang ganon. And I've kept that at home. Parang ayoko makita sa side na to. This YouTube thing is like, hindi lang siya, para sa, now that I'm thinking about it, hindi lang siya to gain popularity, hindi lang siya to gain money, but it's something. Lalo na sa part ko, na I was closeted, although hindi pa ako formally umaamin sa kanila. Oo, hindi pa. And most probably, I've shown you the real me. Instead na ang pamilya ko muna unang makakita. Diba? And because I was really scared. I was scared of what they might think of me. And now, little by little, lumalabas ang dapat lumabas. I've never been much happier. Although, si mama tsaka si papa, medyo nagkakatampuan kami right now. But at least, siguro nakikita nila ako saan ako napupunta. Nagagawa ko yung hilig ko. And I'm also thankful for Carl. Dahil I felt things that I really need to be felt. Because he made me go outside of the box. So, malaking pasalamat ko kay Carl. Hindi man maging kami, okay na ako doon na I went out of my box. I went out of my shell and I figured out what I truly love. Naalala ko yung sinabi ni Ate Say nung last Sunday, happiness can be found outside of your comfort zone. Parang ganun. Yun. Oily ako. Gusto ko na maligo. And I can't believe that I'm saying that to you. Bukas, pupunta ako sa Mega Mall. Gusto kong kitain si Ate Ana. Kasi meron siya workshop. I mean, gusto ko matuto. Like, it's a workshop. So, manonood lang ako. Yun. I'm in a much more happier space right now.